Teachers, imagine creating a full lesson presentation in under 60 seconds. Today I'll show you how using Gamma AI. Go to gamma.app and follow my steps to log in. This page appears. Now click on Generate. Type your topic, grade level, and number of slides. Example: photosynthesis for 7th grade, 6 slides, include a quiz question, and hit Generate. In seconds, Gamma creates your title slide, content slides, visuals, and summary, all organized automatically. You can edit text, change colors, add examples, or switch to a new layout with one click. Click Generate. Our work is done. Now click Present and Share Export. Choose PowerPoint, PDF, or Google Slides. Try it yourself and save hours of lesson prep. Like and subscribe for more AI tools for teachers.